Hey, welcome back to Rism and Rome Model Railroad Club of Fostoria, Ohio. I have permission to give them a little shout out. It's called Mom and Sons, Trains, and Railfans is what they're called. Now, Ray, this is for you, bud. Here's a 765, but 611, she's in her home at the moment, so we're going to get her out real quick. Okay, guys, fire up 611. Wrong way, Phil. A little more, bud. I don't have it programmed just yet. Pull ahead.
he went through a red. Drug test.
Well, this is going to be the end of the video. I had a real good time running my 611. It's made by Bachman. It's DCC and sound. My brother got me that, I think, about a year ago. I had a fun time running it. I haven't had to hook up the passenger cars like this in a long time. So I watched your live, you and your mom's live, and I had a blast. And your mom's telling the story about the 611. That's a cool story. That's outrageous how much they charge just to blow the horn and be in the cab. That's expensive. I don't know how people could afford stuff like that. But anyway, I had a good time. I'll see you later, Ray. You guys have a good holidays and stuff. Hope Santa Claus brings you all kinds of stuff. I wish Santa Claus would bring me a whole bunch of stuff too, but so I had a good time. Tell me what you think. I really enjoyed this. I'll see you guys out later.